Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download a route on Waze so you can use it offline whenever needed. Whether you're traveling to an area with weak internet, trying to save mobile data, or you simply want peace of mind during navigation, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open the Waze app on your mobile device and wait for it to fully load on the main map screen. Once you're there, tap on the search bar and enter the route or destination you want to drive to. For example, you can select home, work, or any saved place. Make sure to follow along carefully here, because Waze saves routes based on recent navigation activity. Next, tap on the destination and select Go Now. Waze will calculate the route and load all the roads, turns, and map details for that trip. You'll notice that the route is now active and visible on your screen. This step is important because Waze temporarily stores the map data for routes you've recently used. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your internet connection is stable while loading the route, allow Waze to fully calculate the directions, and don't close the app too quickly. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent missing map data when you go offline. Once the route is loaded, you can now test it. Turn off your mobile data and Wi-Fi completely, then close and reopen the Waze app. After reopening, tap the search bar and go to your recent places. Select the same destination again and tap Go Now. You should be able to see the roads and navigation even without an internet connection. It's also a good idea to keep Waze open in the background while driving offline. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and avoids sudden map reloads. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to download and use a Waze route offline easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same situation. Why not make someone's day easier?